What is that mysterious ticking noise? It's not over here. It's not over there. It's kind of catchy. Snipe. Snipe. Severus Snape. Snipe. Snipe. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snipe.
Ron Weasley!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Hermione
Ron
Snape.
Weasley!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Severus Snape.
Harry Potter!
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Severus Snape.
Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Harry! Snape! Dumbledore! Hermione!
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking noise. It's a pipe bomb!
Yay!
Boom!
3. Mwahaha. Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldy, 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 Voldemort. Wah, 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 wah. Voldemort, oh, Voldemort, Voldemort. Boom, boom, boom.
Harry Potter.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter, yeah.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Dumbledore!
We forgot it.
Guys,
right after you do.
Oh my God.
Hermione, we all have to say.
Yeah, and draw it out.
What does that strange ticking noise?
Hey!
Harry. 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 Harry.
Oh crap! Dumbledore! I found
What is that mysterious ticking noise?
the story.